If you're laser engraving leather, you already know how rough the fumes can get. This is the KOTTO Strong Suction Smoke Absorber, and it's been a surprisingly effective addition to my setup. So let's get into it. This updated version comes with a flexible hose that's already attached, making it super easy to position right over your work area. It uses a high-speed 6,000 RPM fan with up to 52 CFM of suction, which is great for pulling smoke and fumes away fast, whether you're engraving leather, soldering electronics, or cleaning up resin prints. It includes a HEPA filter, and they've even thrown in a replacement, which I appreciate. Filter swaps take seconds, and you can adjust the fan speed depending on how much airflow you need. When I laser leather, especially veg tan, the smoke and smell are intense. With this setup, 4 to 6 inches away, it pulled the smoke in effectively and helps keep my lens cleaner too. The fan stays reasonably quiet and doesn't shake the table like some louder extractors do. It's compact, under 2 kilograms, and easy to move between work areas. Whether I'm in the shop or working at my desk, I can reposition the hood in seconds and keep the smoke under control. It runs on standard AC power, so setup is just plug and go. There's no weird adapters or complicated installs. If you're working with leather, soldering, resin, or anything that makes smoke in your workspace, this KOTTO smoke absorber is a solid, reliable tool to keep the air clean and your airflow uninterrupted. You can check it out using my affiliate link in the description below. And if you're watching this on TikTok, the link will be in my link tree, which you could find in my bio. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.